think of Power 102.1, we think of diversity, right? Not only diversity, we think of community, we think of bonding. And talking about bonding, I'd like to welcome the one and only Miss Sabrina from Guyana.
Good evening, everybody. Can you hear me? Oh, what a great day this is to celebrate my dear friend Shanae. I was on Public 60, and I met Shanae. Okay, I met Shanae through a networking event, and I told them my platform was to be inclusive of everybody here in Atlanta. When I came here, I didn't see a platform that had all of us in it. And as an immigrant, I wanted our voices to be heard. I wanted Atlanta to know that we are here, we are progressive, productive, and we must be one. Yes. So when he streamed my show, I was so elated. I couldn't believe. I said, where are they hearing me? He said in Boston and all over. What you didn't know is the platform I was on didn't know how to stream, but Shanae did. And he was ahead of his time as I saw it. And I said, Shanae, do whatever you have to do. Because we are here to let our folks back home know what we're doing here on the ground. So they can hear and see. Eventually they saw what we were doing. So I am here to celebrate with you, Shanae. I thank you for giving women the voice, like you did me, and the other women on the platform at that time. We were allowed to be authentic. We were allowed to speak. Yes. We were allowed to do the things, as you stated, what men have been doing. Yes. And so we made sure our name and our space was respected. Yes. At all times. I look at media now. I went on into film and television, and I saw what we have done in media, and more importantly,
Well, thank you. But more importantly, immigrants. You know, I never forget where I come from, and I always make it known. They always see me wearing my Guyana flag because I know the hard work my mother put into bringing us here, and I knew my contribution as a woman, as an immigrant, and now here in these United States. So I never forget where I come from. I am appreciative of the platform and the journey that I was given in media and of course now in film and television. And I always promise to make sure I use it responsibly. And I've never ever wavered on my take on what I see happening globally. So I say to you tonight, we are all here, I'm sure came, some were born here, but we came. And we came with our own, as I say, our own, you know, when I came here, I didn't like some things I saw. But I want you to always be authentic to yourself. I have to keep saying that word because I know we never forget. We never forget home. And we must never forget our people home. And so whatever you can do, the resources that you have, make sure to use them. And of course we do that in media. If they can hear you, know that you're going to empower them with your words. Always remember that. You can't take that away from anyone. So, another 20 years to you, Shanae, and I congratulate everyone here in celebrating with you.
Thank you. Wow. Right, it is my time. It is my time to thank you all. On behalf of HOD, I said thank you to the community. I'm sorry, I'm told that you cannot hear me. But yeah, I think I said thank you on behalf of HOD. We are very appreciative of all that you have done, for all that you've been doing. You've been supporting this radio station for 20 years, and today we are here celebrating this 20 years. When we hear the word HOD, someone tell me what it means. HOD. Is it really on demand? Or is it about to be on demand? Is it? It has been. I like that answer. Thank you so much. Haiti on Demand, people, is the revolution. Once again, Haiti on Demand is the revolution in digital
Pictures
audio
with him.
broadcast.
The man behind women's voices, the man behind the power movement. Please put your hands together for Mr. Shenan Naret. Shenan.
Now you shine now.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's not be shy with the applause. My friend, the one and only, Shenan Naret. Mr. Dwadi Frank. This is Team Power, the project management team that made this night possible. Please, a round of applause. And so, as we are all up here, as we are all standing here, and to give an in-depth why we are here to give this Lifetime Achievement Award, I would like to invite Mrs. Vadima Kodada to the mic. Thank you.
And before we get this done, I would like to present Marika Saint-Jean-Louis. Marika Saint-Jean-Louis, the MCM of tonight. I gotta say it for you. Put your hands together. Let's get it.
Merci Marika Sandre. Merci. Thank you Power 102 FM for this great honor. My name is Vadim Kodada. I am not just an event member or organizer. I am also a friend, but a friend of both parties being honored tonight. A friend of Power 102, of Chenet and Wadis, but I'm also a friend of Zengles. Thus, the most reason why I am honored to be among you beautiful people this evening. Thank you for your attention, as I would like to present to you a synopsis, but I believe a very telling and strong image of who Zenglen is and why we are honoring their lifetime today. La musique est dans tout. C'est du bruit qui pense, disait Victor Hugo. Cela, le jeune Brutus l'a compris depuis son adolescence à fond parisien, ou encore depuis sa naissance à fond parisien, son village natal où il a appris à gratter la guitare.
Nous connaissons Vadim, député Charité de Saint-Louis. Nous sommes loin pour nous arriver là.
Merci Brutus. Brutus a toujours été un ami et il le restera à tout jamais. Comme je disais, Le jeune Brutus a compris ce que disait Victor Hugo. Depuis son adolescence à fond parisien, son village natal, où il a appris à gratter la guitare. Des années plus tard, on retrouve ce même Brutus à Delma 18 avec son ami Gary Didier Pérez, le chanteur vedette original, qui cette fois, lui aussi, avec Brutus, ont compris Victor Hugo, toujours lui qui disait « Ce qu'on ne peut dire et qu'on ne peut faire, la musique l'exprime. » Voilà, tout est dit, Zinglin venait de naître. Un groupe qui a du vécu et qui se passe de présentation dans le décor de la musique haïtienne. Zinglin, ce n'est pas seulement le maestro Brutus qui fuit les honneurs, mais il ne peut y échapper. C'est le prix à payer Brutus pour un brillant musicien populaire. D'ailleurs, comment pourrait-il se soustraire à l'amour que lui portent nous ses fans, ses proches trop heureux de manifester leur reconnaissance? Zinglin, au fil des années, c'est aussi une pléiade de musiciens, tous plus talentueux les uns que les autres, et qui forment un phare lumière exceptionnel pour les mélomanes haïtiens. C'est Zinglin, c'est bien Felder Antoine, c'est Didi Saint-Ville, c'est Nickenson Prudhomme, c'est Nicolina Ferrantino, c'est aussi James Nozil, aussi bien Eddie Germain, c'est Bélande, c'est Kirby Léveillé, c'est aussi tous les jeunes qui viennent dans les années les plus récentes de se joindre à cette formation. C'est Choumi, c'est Michel, c'est Kilo, c'est Kenny Sena et tous les autres. Zinglin, c'est aussi le flamboyant génie Jean Hérard Richard Dirichi. C'est aussi bien l'excentrique Gracia Delva, ou le timide ancien chanteur David, ou encore le turbulent mais talentueux vocaliste Réginald Kangé. Ce sont aussi les gentils mais uniques chacun, Frérot et Weed, partie du groupe. Jusqu'à en arriver à son chanteur vedette du jour, le beau Amy Nixon Louis. Mais savez-vous quoi? Zinglin, c'est aussi la jolie Sandra de regretter mémoire, paix à son âme. De fond parisien, ce petit village au nom évocateur qui déjà annonçait les grandes scènes, ce tout petit garçon, alors Brutus, allait bercer bien de générations de par sa prouesse et son talent musical. Si vrai que tout au long du parcours de Zinglin, l'orchestre qu'il fonda verra de nombreux albums se succéder. Une discographie hors pair, mesdames et messieurs. Une discographie riche et envoûtante. Tel, en Haïti, le groupe nous offrira son premier album, En nous à l'aise, son second album, À ton à l'aise, suivi du troisième, Zinglin, nous toujours là, et ensuite de Zinglin Online. Parmi ces quatre, on connaîtra les grands succès tels que Fidèle, tels que Michaela, tels que Parole dans Zinglin, nous toujours là, et autres. En 2000, alors avec la participation du batteur Richie, Zinglin nous offrira Easy Compa. Cet album connut un succès, mais vraiment fou. 5 duets, Tempo, Sexy Love et j'en passe, en fait tous partie. Nous sommes en 2001-2002, Let It Groove. sera l'album de cette année. Our Love is Forever is one of its hit songs. 5 continents, c'est créole nouillé et gratitude figurent parmi les succès de cet album. En 2002, Do It Right. Ce sera le hit de cet été. En 2004 verra l'album 5 étoiles, parmi lesquels les hits Child Support et FKD. 500 plus 1 aussi, bien entendu. 2006, l'orchestre Zinglin nous offrira 5e vitesse, où les titres Où fait faute et Payer Bill seront les succès de cet album. Résultat, suivra en 2011. Les grands succès donc seront résultat Dance in the Dark, Love Someone et autres. En 2015, résultat P-Red sera l'album de l'année. Sincerely Yours, Bird of Paradise, written by Maestro Brutus himself and a good friend of his, Dener Seid, et Toute bagaille possible seront les succès de cet album. Nous sommes en 2018, No Dead End. Grève bébé, nous souhaitons le danser, l'un de mes préférés, feront les succès de cet album. Et on arrive à 2021, Zinglin s'applaudit lui-même. L'album est intitulé Bravo. Mais on ne peut oublier quelques autres succès, mais pas de Zinglin directement, mais dans lesquels Zinglin a participé. Alors, on verra 3 éditions de Brutus et Zinglin, une édition de Richie et Zinglin, ensuite une édition de Happy 50 Compas par Richie et Zinglin. Mais une chose reste certaine, le succès a toujours été au rendez-vous. En fait, Zinglin s'est raffiné, bonifié comme le bon vin. Nous les fans, il est bon d'encourager les jeunes qui sortent du lot et qui prennent la relève des illustres pionniers et les pousser à se dépasser. Mieux que quiconque, Brutus a compris que la nature a horreur du vide. Voilà, il ne va pas laisser le champ libre aux médiocres et recherche la relève qui a du talent. Car, au dire de Maestro Brutus lui-même, Zinglin veut être une institution qui veut perdurer dans l'espace et dans le temps. Dans le décor de la musique haïtienne, hier, aujourd'hui et demain, Brutus croit dur comme fer que Zinglin n'a pas le droit de faire moins que ceux qui ont devancé et qui nous ont ouvert la voie, car les Haïtiens sont de grands musiciens. Dixie le maestro. Levons donc très haut le flambeau. Zinglin continuera de le faire et c'est tout à son honneur. Chapeau Brutus, chapeau Zinglin. Merci à tous les fans et merci à vous autres ici présents. Return the mic to the lady of the hour, Marika Sandri. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Kodada. And so we have Mr. Pierre Michel. Go this way, because there's going to be a group picture at the end. Mr. Wetmar Fano. He's not here? Okay. Mr. or should I say Bethsaida Prosper? Oh, you can receive it on his behalf, please. Mr. Louis Emmy Nixon. Sharp, sharp, I love the look. Thank you. All right, and go around. Thank you. Mr. Jean Brutus Delissin. All right, go to my right. But they're gonna take it. Okay. Okay. And Mr. Jean-Antoine Felder. Joe, DJ next one. Thank you. Now this is individual certificate to each of the band members, okay, for their achievement, their dedication, hard work, and contribution to the Haitian music industry. But we have the big Lifetime Achievement Award for them. All right, and so we have Ferentino Nicolena. Sébastien Lecomte. Okay. Jean Verlu Montpremier. You have your brother here there you go, to receive it. And we have Josefa Libertin. All right. Okay. Eddie Germain. We're close to the time for us to hear and feel what you all do. Thank you. Mr. James Nozil. Minouche Chouloud. Miss Minouche Chouloud. Thank you. Beautiful, beautiful in red. Thank you. Kenny Sena. Yes. Kirby Levey. Leveillé. Thank you. And now, la pièce de résistance. Oh. And here to help us present 35 years Lifetime Achievement Award presented to Zingling in recognition of your contribution to the HMI. July 15, 2023. Congratulations, guys. Thank you. Pause for a picture moment. And so we're gonna let the DJ play for about 20 minutes. Guys, you're gonna go get ready. No, we're good at time. I'm looking at time, Jeanette. And so, yes, they can take pictures. And so in 20 minutes, the band will be back. 20, 30 minutes, the band will be back to play for us so that we can enjoy their music and their talent tonight. So we'll hear from Brutus when he starts playing, when the band starts playing. At this time, we're gonna let the DJ play for the next 20 minutes and let you all get ready to get on stage. Before I let you loose, 2 minutes. And so Shanae doesn't know about this, and we're running to the time where the musician needs to play and we need to dance. And so we, the board, have a surprise for Mr. Shanae and Mr. Duarte. Come to the front. Yep, be careful, be careful. Yes, sir. All right. And so the board wanted to present you. Be careful. Go ahead. Dr. Pamphile and Fala, please help. Be careful. On the other side. And so, as a token of our appreciation and how much you mean to us, and the journey, your hard work and everything, for us being here today, 20 years later, the board wanted to present the founder and the co-founder with an appreciation award for 20 years. So happy 20th anniversary. All right, and so I know you all want to keep talking, but we have, okay, DJ, now while they're taking pictures, you can play, all right? And the band, feel free